Fumi, Fumi. Well, chat, welcome to my stream. We gotta get water back here. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to stream out here. Your hair looks really great, by the way.
Sure. You're looking at me like my hair doesn't look great, but you.
No, it does. It looks like soft and like very well taken care of, and that you gotta you cleaned it properly. I don't know. Some girls have like oily, greasy, weird hair. Yours looks great. Yep. Have a good day at Twitchcon.
You too.
You three. Welcome to Twitchcon 2019 with Timbo. I don't know what I'm supposed to do when people ask me questions. We gotta think about this. Fist bumps only.
Fist bumps only. You need some good questions. Like, what's your favorite state? You know, just like stupid questions.
Well, it could be international. So,
what's your favorite Pokemon?
Okay.
International. I mean,
How's it go? What's up, guys? What's up, man? Hey, how you doing? Nice whip, by the way. It's crazy, dude.
You're in LA.
I'll be there next week. Yeah, I might take you up.
Shit, dude.
Chat, say what up. Sorry to put you guys on the cam. There you go. All right, you're off cam. Go back to your normal selves. What are these?
Donuts.
There we go.
Every time I see you, pretty damn good reason, I just always think like 6 months.
I like the donuts.
Donuts. Donuts.
So big on
Donuts.
Yeah.
Donuts. Donuts.
Chad, do you guys remember Vicky from last year?
Donuts.
Do when you eat like 3 donuts.
Her name. What was your name last year on Twitch?
Donuts.
It was
Donuts.
Jake Fanboy69.
Yeah, Jake's Fanboy69. Now have some donuts, Jake. Donuts.
Is this edible?
Yes, everything's edible.
Is it more edible than their application that they use for bunny boats? Sorry, that was a diss. It was a diss.
Put that back, boy.
Is it oh, you're a tier 3 sub.
Last year was
Yeah,
Woo.
I have merch for tier 3 subs.
Yeah, I know.
Free merch.
Where's my
I'm a
merch
meet and greet.
shit?
Meet and greet. I'm gonna need you to come help manage my meet and greet again like last year. You did a great job.
I'm gonna be your bitch again?
Yeah. We gotta find Wawa. Look who we found! Rin! Hello! CEO Andy, hello! He's pushing her away. No hug. Hello, new friends. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Let me stay in the water. Come here.
You lost the chance.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, she's like Misty or something. What's up, players? That's right, baby. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm here to leech out Pokemon's line.
Yo, dude, I got you, go.
Pokemon! Yeah! Oh, sorry. sorry. Oh, yeah, sure.
Yo, you too, you think?
Oh. Well, you better watch that hand, motherfucker. Get that. No, I'm just kidding. You're good. I'm just fucking with you, dude.
Oh, you're the whole point of the stream now.
Okay, dude.
Nice one.
All right.
That's the only thing
That's
you can
true.
entertaining. I'm sorry.
Okay, dude. Ban that guy. All right.
And then, can I have you, if you can, sign
your iPad?
Yeah, well, I'm making a thing right here that I'm going to put all the photos I take and have everyone
Holy
sign
shit,
it
look at
here.
all of their nice handwriting.
Oh, what?
You want to see mine? Mine's like this. Oh shit, can I erase that?
Yeah.
Wait, can you hold this? I gotta really concentrate now.
Do you want to hold my iPad too? Thank you.
Honestly, I just one of those faces, maybe.
I like your fanny pack. Oh, I almost touched it. I don't want to like
It's
keep your
alright,
balls.
dude.
Oh, it's like a
Dude, it's like a sweater, yeah. Got all the stuff in there, deodorant.
Dude, you got
dude.
deodorant in there?
I've been like offering it to people, but
You are
no one's picking it up.
you are who they should all be.
I know, dude.
Sweet. All right, cool. Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye, Cherry.
You guys take good care of her, okay?
Oh, I'm protecting.
You don't
White knight. White knight.
don't let anyone get close to her.
Okay, bet. Hey,
Yeah.
back up.
Whoa, my bad, dude.
Oh.
My bad.
Jay.
Yo.
The cigarettes.
Some magic, dude. What are you guys doing? Wait, what?
I'm joking. I don't know who they are. Hey, Jay.
Don't smoke, kids.
Don't smoke. Take a picture.
Leave it there.
Can I make a quick shout out real quick?
As long as not racist. Okay, let's go.
Shout out to the boys in the BBC Club. Good to see you, man.
Are you working with?
Oh, no problem, dude. Oh, okay. See ya. Yeah. What? Hey, what's up, baby? I'm going. You look like a little Tyler 1.
I know. Yeah, I've got that. Yeah, I just met him. Yeah.
You're like Tyler 1 if you squished his head like this.
Yeah, I know. I don't have the head knee.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice to meet you.
13, 14,
No,
12.
21.
21! Whoa!
Babyface, that's good.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Was that a bully? Dude, come on. If you took Tyler 1 and squished his head vertically like a horse, he wasn't that bad, but he squished his head like this. It's that guy.
Do you want to get laid? Bet you got laid? Do you want to get laid? Yeah.
Dude, I got water's already here, dude.
Oh, that's good.
I'm selling water. Yep.
On D-Live,
Hey.
bro. You ever been on D-Live?
No, I haven't. They don't pay enough.
They don't pay enough? How much they offer you?
Not that much.
Not that much,
Yeah.
bro. I'm telling you, crypto's the future. Jake, you know it. I know it. We all know it.
Okay, cool.
Straight up, bro. Hey, check it out, man. I'm telling you, it's an awesome platform.
You almost got me. Do you work for them?
I don't.
Well, you tell them to give me a cool offer and then we'll talk.
I'll hit them up, homie. Thank you
All right,
so
they
much.
got to retire me. Yep, all right. Guys, it's Swedish Tanner. Team PMS IRL. Water. Is it Sven? Sven, right?
Can you speak Thai?
No, you speak Korean?
No.
No, so he was at a club in Thailand, and Fred was there, and he recognized Fred from my stream. He's like, "Hey, Fred," and they took a picture, sent it to me. So last night I saw him. I took a picture together and sent it to Fred. Did he touch your dick?
A little bit. I guess.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
He told me to touch your dick too.
Nah, he tries to, but you have to you actually have to push him, and say, really, he's crazy, dude.
You like it, right?
Yeah, I do. You don't like it?
I don't know. What? Like what?
I'll see you, right?
All right, see ya. You look like Edison. Oh, you are? Are you really his brother? Holy shit! Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Are you older or younger?
Younger.
Younger, okay. Are you also super smart, business-minded, and all that?
No, he's a lot more serious than I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a secret I can tell you because you're a brand new sub. My tier 3 subs, people that pay $25 a month to subscribe to my ass, freaks me out. And Twitch does not incentivize them at all. In fact, Twitch does nothing to incentivize a guy spending $25 a month on streamers. Dumbass.
Yeah.
Kurt, I want to say thank you for that. And
Cool. So do we have the whole table for you?
unlike Twitch, I do incentivize my tier 3 subs. You are now a part of the tier 3 sub dick pic newsletter. Every Sunday on my Discord, you sign up in the channel. It's a weekly newsletter of dick pics of mine. You're in there on a couple of about 100 or so tier 3 subs. Thank you so much. Twitch won't, make it worth it, so I did. And Twitch, that is just a joke. It's a long-running joke. Don't ban me. It's just a joke. You can't ban me for jokes. Obviously, it's against TOS, and we do not do that. Just came in here, been about 5 minutes of watching. I can already say this is one of the best streamers I have ever seen. Jake is extremely charismatic and good looking, very funny and has great timing. Also, he's great at guiding the conversation and taking control of the situation, like a true alpha does. Really inspiring. Just one suggestion. Can you dump the white shirt guy who's holding the camera? He is honestly bringing your shirt down.
That's him.
Love your yellow shirt too, Jake. Really, Jake? Now our copy pastas aren't good enough for you? They're fine. We have given you 15k viewers, hundreds of subs at the snap of your fingers, and defended Water's honor with all our might. You better be careful, JakenbakeLIVE, or you might lose chat and Water to a real man like yellow shirt guy.
Oh my god!
The memes are strong here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm already there. I'm freaking
How old
out.
are you?
How old am I? I'm 26.
26?
Yeah,
So young.
You're younger than Jake.
I know. And yet Jake has more hair than me. It really freaks me out.
I'm not sure. Thinking about.
Normal.
Message from the chat. Yellow shirt guy. I can imagine myself walking in the sunset with you, holding hands and smiling, hearing the crash of the waves as a gentle breeze flows through my body and hair, walking miles and miles while the moon rises high into the sky. The whole world is asleep, but I'm the only one living a dream, the graceful peace settling into my heart. For once I actually feel alive. This is how you're supposed to live. Thank you for this fantasy, yellow shirt guy. PM me to make it real.
Yeah, so what's nice about that story, it was very, we'll say graphic. There were a lot of visuals in that description, so I'm also able to imagine every single part of that story except for you.